Igongona aria mambura ma 54 magukungwira wiathi bururi-ini na maria matabanĩirio kiharo-ini gia Kasarani mugaru na hau kabere kuria kaingi matabanagirio kiharo-ini kia Nyayo. Mumwe igongona ria mbere mutongoria wa bururi etongoririe kuma kwehitithio gwake na kuoya matamu ma wathani igwa itĩna aria keri. President akihuthira mweke uyu gutariria bururi maundu maria makoretwo magithie na mbere. Kurionekire kuruta mukana murumu kuri mundu wothe ungikorwo na riciria ria kwagarara gatiba ya bururi akiuga gutire mundu iguru wa watho.
Today, I serve notice to those treating our constitutional order with casual recklessness that the Constitution is the general will of all. No one, including myself, is above it. No matter who you are subject to its authority. Anything outside the Constitution is a hostile intrusion. Whoever destroys property, whoever chooses senseless violence over constitutional order, all these are enemies of the Republic, and that is how they will be treated.
President yaretio oreri urugare wa kiuteti bururi-ini ukoretwo wambateire makiria thutha wa mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga gukorwo endekithĩtie kwĩhĩtithio ta president mugaru na watho. Mutongoria wa bururi akihinyĩrĩria ihinda rĩa ũteti nĩ ithiru kuriranĩire kwaranĩria na Akenya othe ũndũ ũmwe na kurehe ũthii wa na mbere.
Siasa zimeisha. Sasa ni mipangilio vile tutasonga mbele. Na naomba viongozi wote, njooni tushirikiane pamoja. Njooni tushauriane pamoja kwa niaba ya Wakenya ambao wametupatia hii nafasi.
The journey ahead, led by our President Uhuru Kenyatta, will now involve all of us. Nobody should be left behind. That journey must involve all of us as Kenyans, irrespective of how we voted.
Kuringana na president bururi ukoretwo mutondo-ini wote ti utarikiene kwa ihinda iraihu handu-ini ha gwikirira uthii wa na mbere undu uria uthiite na mbere gucungiriria bururi gwikururia hari mitaratara ya ukuria. President agithingata Akenya gutia urumwe kuona niguo hotithĩtie bururi gukinya hari ukinyĩte undu umwe na kung'ethanĩra na thũ cia Kenya.
As your fourth president, I will not tire of reminding you that you will have a fifth and even 10th president, but we will not have a second, third, or fourth Kenya. Preserving Kenya is preserving yourself, because Kenya is you, and you are Kenya.
Mambura ma 54 magukungwira wiathi wa bururi umwe mweke mwega wa president Kenyatta gutariria mutaratara uria uri mbere yake wa gutigirira ni akinyanĩria ciĩranĩro ciake kuri Akenya undu umwe na gutigirira ni anyitithania Akenya othe na atongoria othe a mĩahũ ĩtiganĩte ya kiũteti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kiharo gia Kasarani, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.